Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings so you can read system-stored information. This is faster than calling another device. Once in settings, scroll down and tap About Phone or About Device. Manufacturers label it slightly differently, but that section holds device and SIM details. Make sure to pause and scan for phone number or SIM status. If you see multiple SIMs, choose the active SIM slot. This reveals the number the carrier tied to your SIM. Next, open Contacts and look for your contact labeled Me or My Info because Android sometimes stores your own number there. This reflects what apps use as your identity. If that's empty, open the Contacts menu and select SIM card contacts or settings, then SIM cards to inspect stored info per SIM. Also check the phone or network operator app. Carriers sometimes display the line number directly. Make sure to note which SIM slot is active if you have dual SIM. To finish, verify the number by sending a text to a friend or calling your voicemail. This confirms the line in use. If your number remains blank in settings, power off, remove and reinsert the SIM, then reboot. This often forces the phone to read carrier data. If reinsert and reboot fail, contact your carrier because they can confirm the line assignment or reprovision the SIM. Make sure to have account details ready so they can fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.